5 free things you can get on your cruise, if you just ask. Most passengers walk right past these perks and end up paying for things they could have had for free. But today, I'll reveal 5 powerful freebies that can save you money, upgrade your trip, and make your cruise unforgettable. Let's dive right in with number 1. Freebie number 1, activity points and hidden prizes. Most people think trivia games and poolside contests are just for fun, a way to pass time before dinner. But on many cruise lines, these activities come with a hidden bonus, points and rewards. Every time you join a trivia game, a dance class, or even a silly deck challenge, you might be earning credits. These credits can be redeemed later for free merchandise, clothing, or accessories at guest services. Cruise lines like Oceania run full point systems where you accumulate what they call Big O points. By the end of your cruise, those points might get you branded t-shirts, water bottles, tote bags, or even gift shop items. Virgin Voyages takes it even further with vouchers for creative activities like their quirky seahorse races. Here's the trick. These activities earning points are rarely labeled clearly. That's why smart cruisers ask on day 1, which activities today earn points and where do I redeem them? Guest services will point you to the right events, and you'll suddenly find that what seemed like a silly game actually translates into free stuff you can take home. One couple I met told me they ended a week-long cruise with enough points to grab matching hoodies from the onboard shop, all without spending a dime. They simply showed up to trivia each night and deck games in the afternoon. Not a bad souvenir haul for just showing up. Freebie number 2, shopping presentations with free gifts. Now, normally, when you hear the words shopping presentation, you probably imagine a boring sales pitch. And yes, that's partly true. Cruise shopping advisors will hype up certain jewelry stores, watch shops, and duty-free stops at the next port. But here's what they don't tell you. These sessions are also disguised giveaway events. To get you in the room, the shopping team hands out freebies. We're talking charms, bracelets, t-shirts, tote bags, even gift certificates. I once attended one of these so-called shopping seminars on an Alaska cruise. By the end of the hour, I had a free silver pendant, a reusable shopping bag, and a $50 voucher for a store in port, all for simply sitting in a chair. What should you ask? Just go to guest services and say, "Are there any shopping advisor presentations with complimentary gifts this week?" They'll let you know when and where, and you go. Here's another pro tip. When you visit the recommended stores in port, mention that you attended the onboard presentation. Many stores give out extra freebies like gemstone necklaces or small charms simply for showing up with that connection. Most passengers skip these presentations, thinking they're just pressure sales. And sure, you don't have to buy a thing. But if you walk in, sit through the talk, and walk out with gifts in hand, you've just scored easy souvenirs for free. Freebie number 3, spa raffle treatments. The cruise ship spa, one of the most expensive parts of your voyage. Massages, facials, hot stone treatments. They look amazing, but the prices can be shocking. Here's the good news. You can actually get treatments for free if you know when to show up. On embarkation day, most cruise lines hold spa tours. They want to introduce you to their facilities and, of course, sell you on treatments. But to encourage attendance, they host raffles. And here's the secret. Hardly anyone remembers to come back for the drawing. That means your odds of winning are surprisingly high. I once saw a woman win a free hot stone massage just because she stayed for the raffle. Another time, a man scored a complimentary facial worth over $100 simply by being in the room when everyone else was at the sail-away party. What do you say? Just walk up to the spa desk and tell them, "I'd like to tour the facilities and enter any complimentary raffles you're running." They'll sign you up. Then make sure you show up for the drawing, usually held right before sail-away. Yes, it requires a little time on day one, but the payoff can be huge. Imagine starting your cruise with a luxury spa treatment that cost you absolutely nothing. That's the kind of win that makes your entire vacation feel upgraded. Freebie number 4, off-menu dining perks. Here's one that'll blow your mind. The menus in the main dining room, they're not set in stone. Cruise lines train their staff to accommodate special requests, but they don't advertise it because it complicates kitchen operations. But if you ask, you can order items not listed on the menu. You can request dishes from other restaurants on the ship. You can even ask for custom meals if you give the kitchen advance notice. I've seen passengers order shrimp cocktails every single night, even when it wasn't on the menu. Another guest once requested Indian vegetarian meals, and the staff happily arranged them throughout the entire cruise. Here's how to do it. At the start of your trip, speak with the maitre d'. Tell them about your preferences, dietary needs, or special requests. More often than not, they'll make it happen, and at no extra cost. So while other passengers are paying for specialty dining just to get a change of pace, you can enjoy customized meals for free. All it takes is the courage to ask. Freebie number 5, hidden loyalty benefits. If you've cruised before, you might already have a loyalty number. But here's the problem. Cruise lines almost never hand you the full list of benefits. They prefer to highlight basics like priority boarding or a welcome back gift. But the truth is, there are often dozens of perks hiding in the fine print. Depending on your status, you might be entitled to free laundry, complimentary drinks, specialty dining vouchers, exclusive merchandise, or even free cabin upgrades. But unless you ask, you may never see them. What should you say? Go straight to the loyalty desk and ask, what's the complete list of benefits I'm entitled to at my status level on this specific ship? That's the key phrase, this specific ship. Benefits vary, even within the same cruise line. I met a traveler who discovered halfway through her cruise that she had free laundry included with her loyalty level. She'd already paid for 2 loads out of pocket. If she had just asked on day 1, she could have saved the money and enjoyed the perk all week. So, don't assume, always ask, because sometimes loyalty pays more than you realize. And there you have it, 5 amazing freebies you can score on your cruise simply by asking. Activity points and prizes, shopping presentations with giveaways, spa raffle treatments, off-menu dining perks, and hidden loyalty benefits. These are the secrets cruise lines don't advertise because they'd rather keep you spending. But now you know better. So which one will you try first on your next cruise? Drop your answer in the comments. And if you found this helpful, hit like, subscribe for more cruise secrets, and ring that notification bell so you never miss the next tip. Happy cruising and enjoy the freebies, because smart travelers know the best things at sea don't always come with a price tag.